Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about new lesson Prose Trip to Ooty. Trip to Ooty. In this lesson, Merlin writes a letter to Mully. Merlin writes a informal letter to Mully. So, what is difference between formal letter and informal letter? Yes, formal letter is otherwise known as business letter. Informal letter, personally, we have to write personally. So, trip to Ooty. In this lesson, Merlin writes a letter to Mully. So, have you been to Ooty? Yes, Ooty is famous for tea plantation. So, Ooty is famous for tea plantation, and let us get into the lesson. Before getting to the lesson, let us know about the meanings. Clinging, fitting closely to the body. Clinging, fitting closely to the body. Scream, cry in a high pitch. Cry in a high pitch. Snatch, quickly seize someone in a rude or eager way. Quickly seize someone in a rude or eager way. Mesh, material made of a network of wire or thread. Mesh, material made of a network of wire or thread. Swaying, moving slowly or rhythmically. Swaying, moving slowly or rhythmically. Trumpeting, trumpeting, making a loud noise. Trumpeting, making a loud noise. Coax, coax, persuade someone gently to do something. Persuade someone gently to do something. Murmur, murmur, to make a low, continuous, indistinct sound. Grumble, murmur, to make a low, continuous, indistinct sound. Grumble. Trip to Ooty. In this lesson, Merlin writes a letter to Mully. So let us get into the lesson. Thanks for your letter, and it was great to hear from you. You asked me to tell you about my trip to Ooty with my friends. I had the most wonderful time. 20 girls and boys from class 6 went on trip. So how many girls and how many boys? So 20 girls and boys from class 6 went on the trip. So our class teacher Geeta madam and two others took us. So who is Geeta? Yes, class teacher is Geeta madam. Class teacher Geeta madam and two others took us. So my grandmother has told me about the beautiful journey to Ooty by the toy train many times. So what is toy train? Toy train. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway was built by the British in 1908. Mountain train is another showcase of heritage of India. This rail connects Udamandalam and Mettupalayam. This train travels through 208 serpentine crows, 16 tunnels, 250 bridges, waterfall hood, cliff edges and tea estates, covering a distance of 26 km. The uphill journey takes almost 4 hours. In the year 2005, UNESCO declared the Nilgiri Mountain Railway as an extension of the World Heritage Site Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Vintage steam locomotive is still retained as an excellent attraction to this train. She said that it was a spectacular trip up and down the slopes with the birds and trees dancing along. Ooty is so close to Coimbatore, but I have never been there nor seen that train. So I was really thrilled when the school arranged the trip. You can imagine how excited I was when I stepped into the toy train with my friends. I looked around the wooden chairs with cushioned seats and oil painted walls. As I put my bag, the mesh of the luggage rack. What is the meaning of mesh? So, materials made of network of wire or thread. So, she explained how the toy train was. So, I looked around the wooden chairs with cushioned seats and oil painted walls as I put my bag on the mesh of the luggage rack. I was bubbling over with excitement. So, hi Fatima, isn't this fun? I called out as my friend came into the compartment. Come sit here. I have kept a seat for you. You can keep your bag next to mine. What have you brought to eat? Parota and delicious chutney. Delicious means tasty. Did you see the train? It's so beautiful. So, she is talking about the toy train. So, our teacher, Geeta madam, came around to see if everyone was seated properly. The train is about to leave. So, take your seats, everyone, she said. Just then, the train started with a jerk. It moved very slowly, leaving the station with a long hoot. Everyone clapped. The train went snaking up the steep hillside. Snaking means moving like a snake, weaving its way through forest of tall trees swaying in the breeze. What is the meaning of swaying? Moving slowly or rhythmically. So moving slowly or rhythmically. One of the boys, Muthu, said, "It is going so slowly, I can walk along its side." And he got up to go to the door. So from there, other end, the teacher saw him and said in a firm voice, "Muthu, go back to your seat at once." The girls sniggered and Muthu sat down with a long face. Sniggered means laughed in a half suppressed way. Sniggered means laughed in a half suppressed way. Where did the boys and girls go? The boys and girls went to Ooty. So the boys and girls went to Ooty. Why did Muthu say that he could walk along its side? The train was moving slowly, so Muthu said that he could walk along its side. Why did the girls snigger? The teacher ordered Muthu to go back to his seat. At once, Muthu sat down with a long face, so the girls sniggered. Sniggered means laughed in half suppressed way. So why did the girl snigger? The teacher ordered Muthu to go back to his seat. At once, Muthu sat down with a long face. So the girls sniggered. The scene outside was beautiful with the purple, blue mountains forming a lovely backdrop to green fields and tea estates. So Ooty is famous for tea estates. So monkeys were racing all along the tracks. Some were in groups and some had babies clinging onto them. What is the meaning of clinging? Fitting closely to the body. Fitting closely to the body. Look, Fatima. Doesn't that the monkey look cute holding onto its mother's stomach? I pointed excitedly. The monkeys were really bold. One of them tried to snatch a banana. Snatch means quickly seize in a rude or eager way. So, one of the monkeys tried to snatch a banana that a girl had in her hand. As she leaned out of the window to look at the train curving behind on the track, she let out scream and moved back. What is the meaning of scream? Scream means cry in high pitch. So one of the monkeys tried to snatch a banana that a girl had in her hand. So now it was Muthu's turn to snigger. I looked entranced at the misty clouds which covered the mountains and moved in and out of the forest. It looked just like a dream sequence in a movie. Fatima pointed to a bubbling stream with a small waterfall. Look, Merlin, can you see that bird there? It is such a pretty blue and has such a lovely crown, she said. Just then, the train stopped suddenly with a thud. Thud means a dull sound, as that a heavy object striking a solid surface. A dull sound. Thud means a dull sound, as that of a heavy object striking a solid surface. Oh, what happened? Asked a boy. Hey, why has the train stopped? Shouted another passenger. But nothing could stop Muthu. He and his friends were the first to step out to see what had happened. Geeta madam tried to stop the children running out, but they were too excited and begged to be allowed to go out. In the end, the whole compartment stepped out, and what a sight greeted their eyes. So, why did the girl scream? Why did the girl scream? One of the monkeys tried to snatch a banana from the girl, so the girl screamed. Why did Muthu and his friends step out of the train? All of a sudden, train stopped with a thud. Muthu and his friends wanted to know why the train had stopped. So they stepped out of the train. So describe the beauty of Blue Mountain. The mountains were purple blue. They formed a lovely backdrop. The green fields and tea estates. The mountains were covered with misty clouds. They moved in and out of the forest. There was a bubbling stream with a small waterfall. There was a cute baby elephant sitting on the track. The mother elephant was nearby trumpeting loudly. Trumpeting means making a loud noise. So, the engine driver tried to coax. Coax means gently to do something. The engine driver tried to coax the baby off the track with a bunch of bananas. So the engine driver showed a bunch of bananas and tried to move out of the track. But the baby elephant was too frightened to move. So people stood around trying to make the baby move by making all kinds of sounds. So people stood around trying to make the baby move by making all kinds of sounds. The baby just sat there looking frightened and the mother kept trumpeting. So the mother was afraid. So finally, Muthu, the naughty boy of the class, went up to the baby with a bunch of bananas. Just as it moved to eat, he moved backwards. She kept doing this till the baby was out on the side of the tracks. Luckily, the mother too. Luckily, the mother was moved near to the baby elephant. So stopped trumpeting and watched the whole show. Everyone cheered as the baby started eating the bananas. Many bunches of bananas were piled near the baby and the mother. As they were eating, everyone got into the train. And it left after a delay and half an hour. Geeta ma'am had told us that we would see elephants if we were lucky. So Geeta ma'am told us that we would see elephants if we were lucky. Madam would not have imagined we would see a wild elephant this close, said Fatima. It was such a fantastic trip. On a normal fast train ride, we do not notice the scenery or the landscape. It rushes by so fast by slowly chugging up. Chugging means move slowly, making regular muffled sounds as of an engine running slowly. Move slowly. So, what is the meaning of chuggy? Chugging means move slowly, making regular muffled sounds as of an engine running slowly. So, it was such a fantastic trip. But slowly chugging up and down the beautiful mountainside was different. I will never forget the wide, wind-swept tea estates, cloud-covered mountains, or the swaying trees. It was enchanting to listen the murmur of streams and waterfalls and musical bird calls. Murmur means to make low, continuous, indistinct sound, grumble. So it was enchanting to listen to murmur of streams and waterfalls and musical bird calls. We even saw an elephant and its baby. Our whole group was so excited by the trip and they still talking about it. So, what made the trip memorable one? During the trip, the group saw the wide wind-swept tea estates, cloud-covered mountains and the swaying trees, the murmur of streams and waterfalls, and the musical bird calls enchanted everyone. The people saw an elephant and its baby. All this made the trip a memorable one. So, what is the difference between this toy train and the normal train? A toy train moves slowly. Remember, a toy train moves slowly, but a normal train moves fast. A toy train is useful for tourists interested in sightseeing, but a normal train is used to cover a long distance in short time.